Okay, it's the official revealing completed. Let's peel off the... This is usually for the... Sounds awesome. Alright, it's going. But, reveal. There's his bass knob. His adapter. We got his lights working. Tomorrow we're gonna change the oil and cleaner. Alright, let's open the trunk. What do we gotta do for the trunk? New visors. That's right, you can't have those. Turn the ignition off. Trunk. Alright. You got subs in the back, which you can't see right now. We'll move the light. I'm gonna clean it up tomorrow because we're done with the rest. Alright. All clean and pretty. Subs are under there. Amplifier. Went with the DS18 5-channel. Really good, really good amp. Kind of surprised. But all right, try to. It's hard to do this with one hand. And right here though, sub. Sounds awesome. We got def bounce. Oh my gosh, my brain's fried tonight. Coaxials in the rear, which are under those covers there. You can't. He wanted everything hidden, so coaxials are right there. Def bounce on each side. So, okay, that was my wife. All right, we did that. We painted down the console. We're gonna go under the. We done a lot under the hood for the car. We put the glass back in the top. We put the light covers. Tag. One of those tag lights are out, and we put the lighted. We put the Corvette plate on the bottom with LED light. I don't know why I keep saying we. Alright. As far as the motor side goes, we done valve cover gaskets. Cleaned the intake, pulled the intake, cleaned it, put a bypass tank. PVC system was shot. I replaced the whole PVC system on it. Let's see, over here. We did put a new battery. I'll show you. Well, not a new battery. Hold on one second, guys. All right, here we go. There we go. Cleaned it up. I did rebuild the alternator. I just put. Oh gosh, voltage regulator. The rebuild kit for them. It up. So it's charging really good. See the battery. This is resting 12.3. So nothing's pulling on it. So, wow, the radio started playing, which is awesome because usually. Anyway, we cleaned it up. I vacuumed everything under here. I done a few other things. I done the bypass for the throttle body. Yeah, actually, brake fluid, clutch fluid, bled the system, drained, put all new fluid in the system. It was dirty. Now it's clean. So, yeah, she's ready to take a long trip. Does have a few more things. The ABS has a little bit of issues on the ABS system, but we're gonna worry about that later because he's been driving it for years like that. So he's getting new tires, so we wasn't worried about the air pressure monitor system. I put my computer on it. So once he gets that, but it sounds